I think it died in midair, so I can't get his shit. We banging these niggas. Look, they won. Come over there.
Stun.
Taking all their shit over there, dude. Look at it. I see you down there, gay boy. I see you too. Should we get him? I'm trying to see what level they is. What level are you, nigga? He's 30. We're down. Which one's the deal? Alright, I can't. This thing could just turn into something and see it means he sourced. Winchester.
Ah! I'll damage your roll. My dick.
Yeah. But it's almost back.
This shit was making my fucking headset vibrate somehow. I can't turn vibes off my controller. This is too gay.
Banged him. Yeah, I just targeted him. Figured it'd be easier if both dual target. And this nigga's done and he knows it. Bang 230, suck a dick, gay boys.